So please listen carefully. Oh, okay, I think, as a youth of Barangay Hayang Gabon, what is your greatest dream for your barangay? Again, as a youth of Barangay Hayang Gabon, what is your greatest dream for your barangay?
To be honest, this is my first time joining pageantry platform, and this first time is very difficult because a lot of challenges that I face and a lot of experiences that I've learned from myself. But I do believe that if I will empower youth and I will use my voice to be their voice in any circumstances or difficulties that happen here in our barangay, and I will influence the youth and I'll be the role model, and also I will teach them to trust themselves no matter what happens and be confident. Because if we have self-confidence in ourselves, we say what we want to say without any hesitation and frustration. And I do think that if we have self-confidence, it makes us even more stronger, powerful in a lot of people, and also it makes us even more beautiful. Thank you so much.
Very well said! Are you ready for your final question? Okay. Your final question is, as a youth of Barangay Hayang Gabon, what is your greatest dream for your barangay? Again, as a youth of Barangay Hayang Gabon, what is your greatest dream for your barangay?
Thank you for that wonderful question. My greatest dream in my barangay is to hear the voice of every individual who is not. I will going to strive to foster a positive and inclusive environment where every voice are heard and valued. And I will going to use my advocacy, which is empowerment, innovation, advocating for unwavering confidence. Because I know that in a world where self-doubt and insecurity often prevail, I believe that this advocacy serves as a beacon of light by promoting self-belief and empowerment, inspiring individuals to embrace their inner strength and confidence. And it encourages rising above challenges, believing in their capabilities, and pursuing dreams fearlessly. This advocacy envisions a community radiating confidence as the key to unlocking limitless possibilities and achieving greatness. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, from Purok Uno Hillside. Oh, I think she's ready. I will read the question twice, so please listen carefully. Your question is, as a youth of Barangay Hayang Gabon, what is your greatest dream for your barangay? Again, as a youth of Barangay Hayang Gabon, what is your greatest dream for your barangay?
The youth are the torchbearer in the future. They bring energy, innovation, and a fresh perspective to the world. In an interconnected world, building and nurturing community is essential for creating a more informed and enlightened society. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Purok.
What's your next? Our hilas ng Hayang Gabon Tourism will be receiving a crown. Environment. First will be environment. Okay. Our hilas ng Hayang Gabon Environment